What's up, guiding bolt fans? Nick here, and I'm just going to real quick show you how to replace the tire on a LT 1042 Cub Cadet. So this is an older model, as you can probably guess here by looking at her. I'm pretty sure this process is the same on a lot of these older models. I'm too cheap to buy one of the newer models, so I couldn't really tell you on one of the newer ones, but this is the process on one of these old guys. So basically, once you got the Cub Cadet jacked up just a little bit, you can see I can spin this tire pretty easily. All you gotta do is go ahead and pop this cover off. So you can see it's nice and greased up in there. You'll want to probably apply some grease after you're done, if you wipe it off, or wipe a good amount of it off anyways to do this. And then it's pretty darn simple. So right here you can see that greased up there's an axle coming through there. Basically this is just held in with a cotter pin. So if we go ahead and wipe some of the grease off, you can see that there's a cotter pin behind there. So what we're going to do is grab a pair of needle nose. We'll go ahead and straighten that out so we can pull it out and pull this tire off. So go ahead and pause the video real quick while I go ahead and do that. Alright, so I actually found it easiest just to use this, just a pair of regular pliers to go ahead and grab onto the cotter pin and bend it back down. And then what I did is I grabbed the needle nose and I just kind of stuck it in there like this and then basically forced it out. So you can see that pops right off of there. There's our cotter pin. Go ahead and put that off to the side so we don't lose it, hopefully. And then there is this just washer that kind of slides right off there. It's nice and gooped up as well. And once you got that done, this baby should just slide right on off. Just like that. And then all we're going to do is go ahead and throw the new one back on. Now, if you're wondering what size tire this is, let me go ahead and grab the newer one just so you can see it a little bit easier to make out. So this is a 15 by 6.00-6. So that is the size tire that I'm going to be putting back on here. So if you have any questions, go ahead and toss it down below. Otherwise, it should be that simple. It's the exact same process on the other side. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.